here I wanted to share a screen with you here that I have set up. This is the tick indicator. As you can see, it's $ tick backslash Q, which is a NASDAQ tick indicator. And the way I have it set up here, as you can see on this yellow line, is the zero line. Okay, that's basically either positive or negative, and I've got a blue line up here at 400 and another blue line down here at 400 negative. And what this is a quick visual reference as to what all of the stocks in the NASDAQ are doing. For example, when it's above the zero line, it's kind of bullish. People are tending to buy. And when it's below, it's negative. And right beside it, as you can see, I have the NASDAQ futures. So I use this as a reference, not an indicator, so to speak. It's no indicator. It's foolproof, works 100% of the time. But if you don't want to trade the NASDAQ, you can also just trade the tick indicator. And what that is a New York Stock Exchange, and it's the same deal. But I have that set at 600 negative, 600 positive, and the zero line here. So hopefully that gives you a tool that you can use to help your trading become more successful.